So now we download Node.js from our browser. So the first link, we do the downloading, wait for it to download, then we install. With our installation process, next, I accept, next, install, and then finish. So now we go to the location of our npm file, which will be in users. Some files are hidden, so we unhide them. We go to app data, roaming, then we find npm. We copy the location, then we head on to our variable environment. So there we go to the path, we edit our path, we add a new path, and then we paste the link, the location link there. Okay, and then okay again. Now let's run it and see. So it says my running script is disabled on the system. So to disable this, we go into our PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, run it as an administrator. I want to know my execution policy. It says restricted. Now I set it to unrestricted. Why to unrestricted after reading? And then now arrow up twice to get the first command we once typed. And then now we come back to our terminal and run it again. And now it works. Simple. If you find this useful, like, share, and drop a comment to let me know if it works.